We have more or less 4,000 concrete poles that are used as support for overhead lines.
La plupart des poteaux ont été installés fin des années 30. Comme toute structure en béton armé, donc elle est assujettie au problème de vieillissement, dû à des problèmes internes, à savoir donc la formulation du béton lui-même, la température, mais également l'humidité.
When it gets damaged, we immediately replace it, but it's our objective to replace one by one poles less and less.
We at Asset Management, we are actively searching for alternative techniques to be able to perform our maintenance without downtime.
Because it's costly to do so, and on top of that there's currently a regulation that in the south of Belgium that you need to replace maximum 5% of a line per year. Innovation is really at the core of our DNA. We tend to connect a lot with academia, we scout for innovative startups and other innovative companies. This is also how we found GridWrap.
Current practice is that you will remove the existing poles and install new ones. This is a good solution, but it's expensive, requires downtime on operation, electricity delivery to the people.
Une protection externe au niveau du béton pour pouvoir donc augmenter sa capacité à reprendre les efforts, mais également l'isoler de l'environnement externe.
First step is that you will do a surface preparation, remove any dust, any damages on the pole. Then you will apply our specially designed adhesive putty, high compression sealing system as a filler, and after that you will wrap with our composite system pole wrap solution around existing poles.
By using this technique, we are able to cut the maintenance cost for a concrete pole repair by 75% compared to a one-on-one replacement.
It is very fast to apply, and also we don't have to have any outage, which means that there's no downtime.
We have less impact on the direct environment of the pole. We do it at a lower cost, and in addition we avoid making investment costs in 70 kV lines in concrete poles, which will be phased out in the coming 10 to 20 years. All of this helps to deliver our ambitious CapEx plan in the upcoming years.